Hello everyone, this is V. You're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making some thick alphabet wordings, if you want to call it. Basically something like thickers. I've done this in the past, I believe like 3 years ago. I guess we need an update, so I will show you how to do that with some scrapdivadesigns.com products, and I'm sharing with you also the picks that I picked out from the August release due to come out August 1st. So these are my picks. The first one is an embellishment book. It's a 3D embellishment book. That one I know will be sold out. I just have this hunch. That one, because you could do a book, you could do a box, you could do so much with it. Next is some bows, and this one is called Triple Star Bow. So you do get 2 sizes there. I believe that was 2 sizes. And I also picked out the alpha dies. So I chose the uppercase alphabet and number set, and I also chose the lowercase alphabet set. So I do have I believe an alphabet set. Yes, I do, from Scrap Diva Designs. It was a smaller kind of a bubble set. This one's a larger and more, it's like this one's thinner. You know, the alphabet's more taller and skinnier, and so I thought I could have this in my stash. You know, we always need alphas. They're essentials in the craft community. So I had to pick those out. And another one that I forgot is the Thankful die set. It is just a word die set. And I'm going to remove it from the packaging. So the glare, I hate when that happens and you're recording and the camera picks up the glare. So there it is. I love the color of the dies. This one is teal, and there you can see that it comes with the base as well as the wording. And yeah, that one's great for fall crafts. And let's see what I can come up with that one, either a card or box or something. We'll see. Probably, I think I'm going to do something other than a card, so we'll see how that goes. So these are my exclusive picks. If you'd like to pick them up, I will have all the links listed below. I do have a discount code for you. That's V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. So just go ahead and enter that V10%, and you can save throughout the entire website. And I just want to show you really quick, I missed some flowers from the embellishment book. And I don't, we kind of don't like to show the entire set because it is a recommendation from the shop. So that's why you see me cover a little bit of the dies. And so as far as the embellishment book, I do cover some of it. So I show you in pieces. And there goes the bow set there. And you did see the florals. And so let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the video. And this is very easy to make, you guys. I'm going to show you 2 ways how to make this. So one way is to grab some fun foam, glue some pattern paper right on top of it. You could die cut your alphas like this, and I'm going to show you how that works. I would prefer the second way that I'll show you, but you are able to do this. So with these dies here, I want to I'm not sure how your die cutting machine is. So there it is right there. I'm taking it out. I'm only using one hand, but back to the dies. As far as the die cutting machine, it varies. You know, sometimes some die cutting machines are really good and they just smash that fun foam and you get a really thin fun foam. You can play around with your plates as well and see how that works. I'm using an older cutting die machine from Sizzix because it doesn't work as good because it's vintage. And I'm able to get that sponginess from the fun foam. So I cut out all of that, and then I made it into a bag topper. And so here you go, and you can see it. It is Christmas in July, so I decided to add some wording to my bag toppers here, and it says bows right there, and I made it to where it would fit funky like that, up and down, you know, the bees on top, the you know, I just wanted it to look fun because I am using the Vicky Bouton paper collection by American Crafts, and it is a very fun collection. And so here's the second way of doing it. You can die cut your fun foam and also die cut the pattern paper separately. So that's what I did here, and then you can glue it on as I am doing now, and that's what I did there. And I prefer it this way. I mean, it's time consuming because you have to die cut so many times, but the end result is a lot better. So again, I'm adding an ephemera piece. This is a simple type of way of making bag toppers. You know, they're very minimal layered. And what I do is I use an ephemera piece, and then I sew it on to the bag topper. Very simple bag toppers, just a rectangle, square, and you die cut it, and I mean, you trim it with your trimmer, and then you score it, fold it, and so forth. And the end result is still a wow factor because all of the colors and the layering, it's minimal, but I think it's the sewing. I'm not sure what it is, but I still enjoy how it turns out. It just looks so fun, especially when it's all bunched up together. I'm using some score tape to adhere my bag topper to the packaging here. So I'm gonna add it to these poinsettias. I was gonna call them flowers, but poinsettias from Hobby Lobby. Very Christmas glittery poinsettias. And so here are all of my bag toppers. I used the alpha die set from scrapdivadesigns.com, and I made these wordings here. I will have the video of me making some thickers a long time ago in the description below. Cross my fingers. I hope I find it because it's been so long. I think like 4 or 5 years. So hopefully I find it if you guys want to see it. And I've made these so many times, but since I received the die, I was like, hey, I need to make bag toppers for these, and you'll see in a few days or maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure, why I need these. So I will see you guys in the next video. So this concludes the video, and yeah, bye.